Hey friends, welcome back. It's me, your friend Unboxing Naga. Friends, I'm back with another new content. Friends, hotel video content nishina achieve mui amni khan gani ekta nutun content do anina ase. To itu mui achila content kila ase gole do mui amni khan de OnePlus 10 Pro la opor ke phone review guna dekhai dio. Aro mui kila information da collect kurise, kila information da research kurise. Mui amni khan de brief pa samjhaw le go. To kiman jani video sai ase mui request karo ki video skip na kori. Kilo da amni video skip kurise le video na puchi jaw. Aro mui itu video content banala maksad kya ase gole do viewers amni khan de smartphone la basic knowledge to janai dio le itu khan de banala ase. To amni khan de mala kam kushi pai ase. Subscribe kori, like kori, share. Friends, before we start the video, here's a short disclaimer that all the information and data based on the video is from Google. So friends, let's start the video on OnePlus 10 Pro. The first game on Kotagriwo Tela operating system. It was an Android dual. Next game Kotagriwo Tela internal storage 256GB internal storage. Our memory slot to Thalura Napane. Tela processor to 8 Gen 1 Snapdragon ase. Tela display resolution to 3216 to 1440 ase. Display size is 6.7 inches. Tela body weight to 200.5 grams ase. Tela sensor to Sony IMX789 ase. Battery to 5000 mAh ase aro battery to alone na pare. Aro tela wireless charging to support take OnePlus 10 Pro to. Aro mikhan tela charging speed la upgrade khota kori na jaw. C-type charger cholai ase. Aro tela wireless charging speed ase 100% in just 47 minutes. Little disclaimer ase as claimed by the brand winner. Aro tela RAM to thake 12GB. 3 rear camera thake taki 3 ta camera thake OnePlus 10 Pro ke. The megapixel of OnePlus 10 Pro is 48MP primary camera, 50MP for ultra wide, 8MP for tele mode li ase. Aro next camera khan wired charging ase. Itu to wired charging to 0 to 100% in just 32 minutes ke charge hole pare. Selfie ase 32MP for wide. Network type to 5G, 4G, 3G, 2G sob support hai India ke. Colors to amni ke forest, emerald pawo, volcanic black pawo. Itu OnePlus 10 Pro la disadvantage ita kia ase lo waterproof nahi. Already dekhai ase mo screen ke waterproof. No, the OnePlus Pro is not a water resistant na dekhai ase to. Which means OnePlus 10 Pro to water resistant na hoi na. Hoy tela ita advantage to OnePlus 10 Pro is a fully touch tight. Touch proof ase OnePlus 10 Pro to. Body frame to kiba design kuishe le to aluminum cholana design kuishe tela body frame to. Front wheel with Gorilla Glass Victus and back with Gorilla Glass ase. Release kuishe India ke April 14, 2022. Now let's discuss about the price. Total first price to amni ke ahi ase 60,999 for 8GB RAM and 128 internal storage. Next ke ahi ase 65,999 for 12GB RAM plus 256GB internal storage. Aro amni bi OnePlus 10 Pro la phone ke interest ase gole to amni aro pichi information lagi ase gole to amni Google ke saina ek par research korle paribo. Aro hey friends, finally mon video la last ke na bunjise to amni mola video to hotai sai ase le ite tak channel ke likes korna, subscribe korna aro share na kori gole to itia kori diwi. Aro hey friends, video la feedback to jai na comment section ke likhi diwi. Aro stay tuned. Kila gole nutun content to chuli ani ole se. Still then take care, stay safe and see you soon in the next video.